Hey all, welcome back to my channel 18 Crosstrek Man, and today I'm going to be showing you the remote engine starter for the Subaru Crosstrek. This is the factory option. I added it when I purchased the car, and just one thing I want to note is it says it works up to 400 feet, so that is kind of the distance. Obviously with obstructions it says, walls, just various items, it may not, work. So that is what I'm going to be showing you today. And before I start doing a test of kind of how far I can walk to start my vehicle, I'm going to show you the fob of what it looks like. So if you look down here, you can see this is the keyless access push to start. This is that fob. And then you get this additional fob for the remote engine starter. So this is so you can start it from that further distance. So I'm just gonna take a walk outside, and I'm gonna go from different places and just kind of test it out. And now I'm gonna go up to the car, and you'll kind of see the big quirk that I really hate about it. Car's on. So this is the big quirk. So open the vehicle. You gotta restart the car. So you gotta restart the car once you get the vehicle. So that's a little annoying. It doesn't just stay on. Another thing that I do want to display is the because it's made really for cooling the car down or heating the car up. So what I want to show is right now let's set it at 70 and we'll set it at 1. And it's you can see up here, it's just coming from the top here, 71. So I'm gonna shut the car off. I'm gonna step out of the vehicle, and now let's go ahead and lock it. Hit beep, it's locked. And now we're gonna walk to that second trash can there. So 1, 2. This should be further from the first spot. Yeah, so this is definitely further from the first spot. So let's go ahead and try to start it. Here's the fob. You double tap it. Hear the beep. Car locked. I don't know if you could see that. And then it just beeps again, acknowledging that the car did start. So it worked from where I'm at right now, and I actually don't know if this shuts the car off. I would assume it does, so let's go ahead and double tap it. Beep. And I'm not sure, I guess it doesn't shut off the car. Let's walk back to the car. Yeah, so it doesn't shut off the car, it just starts the car. But what I want to show is, you saw I showed the picture of 70 degrees. Let's see, it's gonna obviously start there. But that is another thing. I mean, since there's no app, you can't really do anything about that. But let's start the car up. And yes, you can see 70 just going to the top in 1 bar. So since there's no app to control that, it's whatever you set it from when you shut the car off. Let's say it's a really hot day, but you had it set, because when you were last driving it, you had it set at 75. Well, the bummer with that is, or 74, is if it's really hot and you're starting it like that, or just even at 1, it's gonna take quite a while to cool the car down or heat the car up, whatever you're trying to get at from when you last shut the car off. So from here, it definitely started. You heard the beep. Started, beep. Still worked. So double tap, saw the flash, the beep. And there is the other beep acknowledging that the car indeed did turn on.